So next we're joined by Karen from the University of Kingston, and you're going to tell us a little bit about what you're displaying here.
Yes, I run a project called Digital Media Kingston, which tries to bring together the resources and expertise across 4 faculties. So I work across art and design, art and social science, technology and computing. At the moment we run a postgraduate master's programme where 6 master's courses run together as a studio. So, for example, this work here was produced by students on 6 different courses, and if Joshua can get it going for us, it will show you how we've integrated facial recognition software with a database of responses, so the avatar appears to know what you're doing. The environment that we can't see, we developed inside Unity game engine. Actually, should we come back to that in a second? And we'll show you Maria's Oh, here it is. Oh, no, it's not. If we go to this one, this is Dr. Maria Mencia from Arts and Social Sciences, and she's running an electronic poetry symposium, and we've got an open call. I don't know if you want to say a bit more about that?
Yes, no, we're having an open call for the e-poetry festival. We're having an open call. It's going to be in June this year in Kingston University. And this is some of the work that I work on, the area of electronic literature and electronic poetry and new media.
Right.
So, and this piece is in connection with a couple of Spanish sonnets.
Right.
One from the Renaissance and another one from the Baroque. And the cultural differences in between one period and the other in connection to the mediated society.
Right.
And this is my interpretation. And it has like 3 different stages, and this is the last one.
Right. Okay.
This is where, this is code, and there is sound as well, but you cannot hear in this environment. Anyway, this is actually the material that creates the actual piece, the code that creates the actual piece. This is the last part of the actual poem.
Okay, so it's is it superimposing the code onto?
Yeah, and there is the webcam is actually grabbing the but the webcam is actually grabbing the user, the reader. It is about reading also with new media and different ways of reading, but here is like a poem, and you are part of the poem because you are inside of the poem through the webcam, and you read the poem and the poem reads to you. So sometimes you have to read to generate the actual text, but sometimes the text is read to you and speaks to you. You need to caress it in order to make it work, and it is a very kind of fragile piece.
Right.
And it has different colors depending on which colors you're wearing. Right. That's the palette for the actual piece as well. So.
Oh, right. Okay, so it's reacting very much to the environment.
It's reacting to the environment, to the voice, to the color.
Excellent.
So anyway, so that's one of the pieces.
Yeah, great.
We've also got some work on procedural audio, which is the sort of holy grail of interactive sound at the moment. So Alex will tell you a bit more about that, and our avatar's on his way back right now.
Right, okay, we got Alex there.
So I'm working with procedural sounds, and I'm putting it into a game, a tower defense game. And if you can see it here on this laptop, this is a program called Pure Data, where you can synthesize music in real time and change it. And we've put it into a tower defense game like this. For every tower you put down, it represents a chord, and the more chords you have within the game, it makes a song and defeats the enemies, as you can see here. And I guess the goal of the game project was to make a game for people that can make something at the end of it. So you got something tangible, or almost tangible, a piece of music, and so they can share it on Facebook and create stuff and have fun. Yeah.
Here we have the avatar's back. So if you turn your back on it, it says, "Oh, don't turn your back on me." And if you're laughing, it says, "Oh, you're enjoying yourself."
Right.
So it becomes a whole new type of interaction, which is very uncanny valley.
Fantastic. So you're doing quite a wide range of things. So what it's probably a difficult question to answer in that case because of the wide range of things you're doing. What excites you most about this, the digital transformations theme and the opportunities that are
I think
currently
for
available?
me, it's about it's a sort of merging of art and science, and the idea of interdisciplinarity and a true sort of post-enlightenment dialogue. So disciplines aren't back-to-back facing outwards. Disciplines are turning back round and looking at each other, and I find that invigorating and exciting.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So is there anything new that's sort of looking forward that you're looking to do?
We are at the minute working with a lot of brain-computer interface technologies where you wire something up to your head and interact with images using your thoughts.
Right.
So that's what I'm into at the minute. Yeah.
Okay, that sounds incredibly scary to me. Wonderful. Well, thank you very much for showing, and thank you to all of you. Sorry, that's turning my back on the camera there, for demonstrating all of that.